how to add or remove books from Want to Read in Google Reads app. So if you want to add or remove books from Want to Read in Google Reads app, then what you need to do is you just need simply first open up your Google Reads app. Then you just need simply go and search for Goodreads, and you need to go with sign in. If you don't have an account, you can just simply go with create, and then you can create your account, or you can continue with your Amazon. So I'll sign in with my Amazon. So now I've signed into my account. Now if you want to add books from Want to Read, then you need to just go with search, and under search you can simply go with any books that you're comfortable with. So I'll just simply go with this first one. So if you want to add this book, then you need to tap on Want to Read, which is on the bottom, and it has been added, right? Once it's added, now if you want to remove that from Want to Read, then what you need to do is you can go with My Books, which is here on the bottom left. Once you tap on My Books, here you will have Want to Read section. So you just need to simply tap on Want to Read, and here you will have all of the books that you've added to Want to Read. Now you need to select this book and go with the drop down and tap on Remove from My Books. Tap on Remove, and that's it. It has been removed. So that's how you can add or remove books from Want to Read in your Goodreads app. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.